Hello again, everyone. I am here again to introduce you to the problem 2 of our midterm or machine problem, which is Jajanken version 2. So you need to create a program that simulates a game rock, paper, scissors. This time, we will include another variable, which is hammer. So the game will be rock, paper, scissors, hammer. Note that player 1, player 2, and the winner, which will determine if player 1 wins, player 2 wins, or either of them are draw. So now, I will show you the flowchart of it. Here, we need to create a terminal symbol which contains of the start. And now, we need to create a process symbol which contains if rock, which contains of the variables in which is rock is equals to rock, paper is equals to paper, scissors is equals to scissors, hammer is equals to hammer. So next, you need to create a input symbol which is input player 1 and another input symbol which is player 2. Now, you need to create a decision table so that you can decide whether it is true or false. If player 1 equals ignore cupcase hammer, if it is true, then player 2 chooses rock. If it is true, then player 1 wins because player 1 chooses hammer and player 2 chooses rock. So player 1 or the result player 1 won. And now if it is false, then player 2 chooses scissor and the result will be player 1 won because player 1 chooses the hammer and player 2 chooses scissors. So the hammer will win because it is strong. So if it is false again, you need to decide if player 1 equals ignore case to player 1. So if player 2 also chooses hammer because player 1 chooses hammer, the result would be a draw. And now, if as you can see that there are only 3 decisions and there is no fourth decision because in here in the given code that the paper is not included because as you can see paper has no match on the hammer, so player 2 won. And now let's move to the another decision table which is in the previous decision table. So here if player 1 chooses hammer, if it is false then player 1 chooses rock. So if it is true, then player 2 chooses the scissor and the result will be a draw. Wait. I'll Oh, a critical error. The answer would be, the result will be player 1 won. I will just change it. I will recap again. So So here, sorry for the technical issues because there is a mismatch of the answers. So I will repeat again. So else if player 1 chooses rocks, then player 2 chooses scissor, then the result would be player 1 won because scissor versus rock, rock would be the winner because scissor is no match. So if it is false, then if player 2 chooses the rock, so it will be the result will be a draw. So if it would be a draw, so here as you can see there is only 2 because when you put, it is obvious that if player 2 chooses the hammer and player 1 chooses the rock, the winner would be player 2 because hammer is stronger than rock. Now on to the next. Else if player 1 choose is equals ignore case to player or paper rather. So else if player 1 chooses the paper, if it is true, then player 2 chooses the rock, so the winner will be player 1 because he chooses paper, because paper will clamp the rock. So if it is false, then player 2 chooses the hammer, player 2 would also won because the hammer cannot destroy the paper, it will only smash and smash, it will be destroyed. So if it is false again, and player 2 chooses also as player 1, same as paper, and the result will be a draw because paper and paper are matched. So as you can see, there is no scissor because it is obvious that if player 2 chooses scissor and player 1 chooses paper, the winner will be the scissor. So player 2 wins. So next decision is here. Else if player 1 equals ignore case scissor. So here, if player 1 chooses scissor, if it is true, then player 2 chooses scissor, the result would be given here. Oh, another technical issue, another problem of the jumbled answers. Sorry for the delay. I will change it again. So here, I will just resume again and restart. Else if player 1 chooses the scissor, if it is true, then if player 2 equals case ignore chooses the paper, then the result would be player 1 won because paper and scissors, the scissors would win. And if it is false, then player 2 chooses also a scissor as player 1, then the result would be a draw. As you can see that there is no rock and hammer because rock and hammer as also shown in the table here in the question that scissor here, if player 1 chooses scissor and player 2 chooses rock and hammer here. So, it is obvious that rock would win against the scissor. So player 2 wins, and also if scissor player 1 chooses scissor and player 2 chooses hammer, the winner would also be hammer. So the result is player 2 won. And that is the end of our flowchart of problem 2.